Hello my loves, this video tutorial is to cover these three little Matchbox kits. I've got the little box of Sunshine, I've got the little box of Herbal Wisdom, and I've got the Advent box, and I'm going to take you through each of those now. Let's start with the little box of Sunshine. This one has been designed for you to carry in your purse or pocket and to spread literally a little bit of sunshine. We all share the same sky on the back, which is a real nice statement about what this is all about. It's about connecting with people. Inside here we have this little pack of affirmation cards. Be open to whatever comes next. The future starts today. Start the journey. Rise and shine. All sorts of different cards. And you can either use these as points to ponder, as prompts for meditation and thinking, or, and this is what these cards were designed for, you give them away. You could pop one on a paper clip in a greetings card or a piece of happy mail. You can carry them around with you. You could leave one on somebody's desk. You could leave them with one with a shop checkout in the library. Whatever you want to do with those, wherever you feel you would like to spread a little bit of sunshine. These are your little cards to do it with, and you've also got writing spaces on the back there if you wanted to add your own personal little note as well. And you can replenish that pack, print out more, and you'll never run out of little bits of sunshine. So that's that one. The little box of Herbal Wisdom is a little divination set, and I really like this. I'm a fan of divination and a firm believer that anybody can do it. You don't need any training, special skills at all. You just need to leave your skepticism at the door and open your heart. So there's a little page of instructions there. Call upon the cards to guide your thoughts, perspectives and meditations. Hold them in your hands, ask a question and shuffle. Choose a card that speaks to you or select several for deeper insight and guidance. So I've shuffled my cards, I've asked my question, I turn my card over, and I get my response. And if you ponder that and meditate on that, I'm sure that it will have some relevance to the question you've asked. If you want a little bit more insight, you could find that choosing 3 cards or 2 cards will give you more of a sentence and will give you deeper insight into the quandary that you're pondering. It's not for yes, no answers. It's far more open than that. So there's your little box of Herbal Wisdom. It's a lovely little set with this vintage Art Nouveau design on the box there. And finally, the Advent box. Now, I really like this one as well. This has got a few more cards in it because it's got 24 cards. The final one on the 25th is Christmas, and that's a trifold card. So that's your special one in the end there. These others go from 1 to 24. Each has got a different image on it and also a different word. So you can use them just as a decorative item. You can use this for a point of meditation and spiritual thinking. So you've got a different concept to ponder for every day of Advent, which is quite a nice little journey to go on. And what you can also do with these little guys is you can take your Advent of the day, pop all your other cards in the box, and you can stick this one down here at the end here, close up your box, and you've got a little display piece there as well. So that's really quite cute. Lovely little gift for somebody, that one as well, as they all are. So come with me and let's see how we make these. They're very simple to make. You've just got the box and the sleeve, the matting panels, and then obviously you're popping your cards inside. Let's have a look. So I've got my bits and bobs cut out for these 3 little kits, which are each made up in the same way, hence one video for the 3 kits. I've put one together already. This is what it looks like. Looks nice, feels nice and weighty in the hand because I've got these matting panels, and also I've got all my little cards inside there as well. So that's that one. I'm going to put together the note card one. So let's have a look at how we do that. With each kit, you've got a couple of pages of the actual cards themselves, which you can go ahead and reverse print with whatever backing sheet you get with the kit. This one is plainer, so because they're little note cards, you can use these to write on if you want to. And also the box is a bit plainer, which is why I'm choosing this one, because it'll be easiest to see on the video. So we're going to make a start. We're going to crease all of the dotted lines we can see here. And this is the actual drawer of our box. And when we've creased those, if you've cut with a Cricut, which I have, you've got a bit of hand snipping to do down these solid lines here. If you're cutting by hand, just snip all the solid lines around the outside. And these. So that's that one. The sleeve is this piece here, and you've got dotted lines to score here. Got 4 of those. You've got 2 sides, a top and a bottom to this sleeve. There we go. So we can construct these now, and to construct them I'm going to fold all of my creases into the middle. Now with these pieces here, when you're folding these in, make sure you've creased them. It's difficult to see on the video, I appreciate. Let's fold that in first. You need to be folding these so that the base sits on this bottom crease here. You don't want to let them, here is an exaggerated, you don't want to let them ride up that way, because you need to be able to fold this piece over the top ultimately. There we go, and once I've done that, I'm going to pop some glue on these little fellas. And I want these to go tacky, so I get an instant grab and I don't have to faff about with them. So I'll give those a moment and I'll move on to this one. Same again, all of your creases are going to be made into folds by folding it plainer sides together. Come back up here and I'll start to put my box together. So making sure that your little tabs sit flush on the bottom so they're not sticking up at all. You can put your box together and make those nice sharp 90-degree corners. And when you're happy with that, go ahead and glue the long edges first. And then the short edges. We're doing the long edges first, so they've got a bit of a chance to go tacky while you're doing the short edges. You want an instant grab on these. I won't quite have it, so I'll be faffing about a little bit. And then you're going to fold these bits without glue on your fingers if possible. You're going to fold these tabs onto the inside like this, and then fold the shorter pieces over. And I fold the shorter pieces second because on bigger boxes at least, those they help keep the longer pieces in they help keep the longer pieces in place. There we go. And just sharpen up your box a little bit, and there is your box done. Now then, we've got the sleeve, haven't we? Fold over the tab and the first section, glue on there, bring this piece over to meet and squish it down. Now in each kit you get all the necessary cards that are going to go inside. You also get a front, a back and an inside, and 2 little side panels as well. So I am going to go with inking first. So I can lose that black edge all around with a little bit of ink. I'm being rather heavy on the ink here, but that's okay. I like heavy inking, but I have recently refreshed my ink pad, and I've been a bit gung-ho here. Yes, I am. I'm going to stick this piece, The Best Is Yet to Come, with this star on it, on the inside of my box. Like that. Give me some nice rigidity in the base, and also gives me that extra little bit of something when I've taken all the cards out. The front of my box is going to have this one on it, the little box of sunshine. I was so happy when I came up with that name. I thought it was so fitting. It looks lovely. There we go. Pop that on. Then I've got this piece for the back. I'm going to make sure I've got this the right way up before I stick it on. It was a delight to design this kit. I had such fun coming up with these different little phrases and things, and I really enjoyed putting this moon on the back of the box that's got the sun on the front. Lovely. And I've got 2 little side pieces here. These add a nice little bit of extra something to your side panels, so go ahead and glue those on centrally. This one's looking really well now. It's looking really nice. And I've got another one for this side here. There we go. So that's our box. And that's our sleeve. It fits beautifully. And all we need to do with this one is pop all our little cards in. There's so many. So here are my 3 little boxes, all done. They look absolutely lovely. I'm going to start with my little box of Herbal Wisdom. Now this has been designed as a divination set. You've got your instructions in the back there. You've got all your cards here. You can hold these cards in your hand. You can connect with herbal energy and herbal wisdom. You can ask your question. How can I be the best I can be in this moment, for instance? And then turn your card when you feel ready. And it's telling me that I have time, I need to take bold action, trust my energy and instincts to succeed. I can ponder that in relation to my question, and it will always make some sort of sense to me. So there we go. These are your little cards to go in your little box of Herbal Wisdom. I really like that one. Next is my little box of Sunshine. And inside my little box of Sunshine, with that lovely moon image on the back there, we all share the same sky. That's quite a leveller. I've got all these lovely, lovely cards. And I can use these as little meditations, as little prompts. I can pop them in my journals. I can put a paper clip on them. I can put them in a piece of Happy Mail or attach them to a greetings card. I can carry them around with me, and I can choose one and pop one on someone's desk, or just give one to someone and spread a little bit of love and positivity. That's what they were designed for. And you can keep your little box of Sunshine replenished with fresh printouts of cards, so you never run out. And the Advent set, finally, this lovely pastel-y pink Advent set. I have got 24 cards. I can get them all out. and then one folded one at the end. The one at the end is number 25, and that's an all singing, all dancing trifold card for Christmas. That's really lovely. All of the others go from 1 to 24. They've each got a different image on them, and you've got a different word on each one. So you can use these, if you're of a mind to contemplate a different concept every day throughout Advent. So that turns that into quite a nice spiritual little experience. Or you can just display them. You can do whatever you want with them. You can just flip one to the back every day. You could, in fact, almost forgot about that, you can put the rest of them together like this, and you can pop your Advent card of the day in the back there like that and display it. There you go. There are the 3 little boxes. I hope you really enjoy making whichever kit you choose, or all 3. Have loads and loads of fun, and I will see you next time.